Hello children, in this video we are going to start chapter 8 which is going to be fractions. So under fraction exercise 1 fractions of a collection we are going to learn in this video. Okay, already we have just fractions of a collection. This concept we have in a third standard. So with this same concept with more sums we are going to learn. For that I have just taken an example sum like first find 1 by 3 of 18, that is 1/3 of 18. So to find the 1/3 of 18 I am going to use two methods. One is by drawing any pictures and you can find the 1/3 of 18, and other concept is other method I am going to use it by doing division. Okay. So first I'll just show you by drawing the pictures. Like this 18 I'm going to denote as a star shape, and from this 18 number of stars this denominator 3, which means 3 equal parts. That is, this 18 number of stars has to be divided into 3 equal parts. So always the denominator whatever is given, that will be your number of equal parts. Okay, so first part, second part and third part. Okay, from this third part, 3 parts, this 18 I am going to split it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this 18 stars is being equally divided with this 3 equal parts. So first part, second part and third part, which you can also call it as group, first group, second group, third group. So in each part if you count, the stars will be equal number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in each part there are 6 stars are there which are equal. So now this 18 stars is equally divided in 3 parts. Okay, among that, after dividing into 3 equal parts, the numerator now you are going to consider 1. This 1 is nothing but your number of parts. So 1 means 1 part. In 1 part, how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 6 is your answer. That is 1/3 of 18 is equal to 16. Sorry, it's 6. Sorry. 1/3 of 18 is 6, which we found here, no? That. Okay. This is one method of finding out 1/3 of 18. Like this, for any numbers of fractions also you can find it. Another word or else another method, this 1 by 3 of 18, that is 1/3 of 18, I am going to use without drawing the pictures. So what we have to do, this 18 has to be divided with this 3 denominator. Okay, this 18 has to be divided with this 3, that is 18 divided by 3. What you will get if you divide? How many times 18 will come in 3 table? 3 6 are 18. If you subtract, 0. So what is your quotient? 6. So here the answer is 6 after dividing 18 with 3. So now we have completed the division with the whole number with the denominator. Still I cannot complete my sum here because I have still the numerator. What is the numerator? 1. With this 6 has to be multiplied with the numerator. This 6 value we got now after doing division. This answer has to be multiplied with the numerator. So 6 into 1 gives 6. Now the 1/3 of 18 is 6. So which is very equal value with the drawing picture method. Okay. So for the upcoming sums, if you want, you can draw the any kind of picture and you can find it, or else you can also use this method also. This whole number has to be divided with the denominator. With the answer of quotient, the numerator should be multiplied. Okay. So I'll show you two more sums also. So here for this second sum and third sum, I'm going to use with the normal division method only. I'm not going to do drawing pictures and all. So 3/4 of a dozen. So here 3/4 of a dozen they have given. They have not given any value. Instead of that they have given dozen. So what do you mean by dozen? In a dozen, that is a dozen means 1 dozen. So 1 dozen is equal to how many numbers of values you will have? 12 number of quantities you used to have, right? So 1 dozen of banana, how many numbers of bananas you have? 12 number of bananas, right? So using that concept, this dozen is nothing but 3/4 of 12. Okay. So now we got the value of dozen. So now this 12 has to be divided with 4. So 4 divisor, 12 dividend. How many times 12 you will get in 4 table? 4 3s are 12. You subtract, 0 will come. So now this quotient is your value of answer here. Do I want to stop here? No, because this whole number and denominator is only completed. Still I have numerator. So this 3 has to be multiplied with the numerator 3. So what is 3 into 3? 3 3s are 9. Okay. So now this 9 is your answer. So 3/4 of 12, or you can also consider as a dozen, which is equal to 9. Okay. So one more. 2/3 of an hour in minutes. Of an hour means what? 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? In 1 hour, how many minutes you will have? 60 minutes. Okay. So with this 60 minutes only we are going to find 2/3 of 60 minutes. That is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That is 2/3 of 60 minutes. Okay. So this 60 has to be divided with 3. So 3 2s are 6. So this 0 also, if you want, you can include. Otherwise you can bring down. 6 minus 6, 0. And now this 0 has to be brought down. So this 0 which is lesser than 3. So you can 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So 0 times 0 you will get 0. 0 minus 0, 0 only. So the quotient is 20. So 60 divided by 3, you will get 20. So this 20, with this 20, what should be multiplied? The numerator should be multiplied. So what is 20 into 4? 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4. So that 40 minutes. Because we have minutes here, right? So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.